10 best websites to detect plagiarism online. There are many different plagiarism checkers available, so it can be difficult to choose the right one. In this video, I will show you the best plagiarism checkers available online and help you choose the one that's right for you. Plagiarism is not happening with intention. Most of the time, it appears by mistake in your thesis. Even a single inaccurate citation also considered being plagiarism. To identify plagiarism, there are many free plagiarism checkers available online. The first website is DupliChecker. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type DupliChecker. Open this link. Plagiarism Checker 100% free and accurate DupliChecker. This is the website. DupliChecker is a free online plagiarism checking software developed for proofreading, editing online content, and plagiarism checking for students and academic writers. This website gives the best accuracy of output with a statistical report by using their tools. Enter your text here. If you have a PDF or Word document, then you can click on Choose File. You can also check plagiarism through web page URL. I will copy the text, paste the text in the box. You can see there is 1000 words limit per search. Click on I'm not a robot. Then click on Check Plagiarism. Here you go. You got the plagiarism report. There is 81% plagiarism and 19% unique. You can also see number of words and results found. The sentences which are highlighted shows plagiarism. You have to paraphrase them in order to remove plagiarism. You can also find the similarity on the right side. The websites from where the content is taken is shown on the right side. You have two options. You can download it as PDF report or Word report. I will click on Download as PDF. You will be directed to a new window. The download has been completed. Click on it. In this way, you got the plagiarism scan report, showing plagiarized words percentage, unique words percentage, date, words, and character. In this way, you have checked plagiarism from your document for free. The second website is Small SEO Tools. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type Small SEO Tools. Open this link, 100% free SEO tools, smallseotools.com. This is the website. Small SEO Tools offers a best free plagiarism detector which gives deep insights of the document with respective copied URL. This free plagiarism tool helps millions of students and writers to check the plagiarism every day. Click on Plagiarism Checker. Copy and paste your text here to detect plagiarized content. If you have a document, then you can click on Upload File. You can also check plagiarism through web page URL. Copy the text. Paste it. You can see the word limit. It is 1000 words. Click on the checkbox. Now click on Check Plagiarism. Here you go. The text contains 93% plagiarism It is 7% unique. On the right side, you can see the sources of plagiarism. The underlined sentences show plagiarism. On this website, there is also the option of text-to-speech. To get the report, click on PDF or Word. I will select Download PDF report. You will be directed to a new window. The download completed. Click on the PDF document. In this way, you got the plagiarism scan report. You can see the date, total words, plagiarized sentences, and unique sentences. In this way, you can deduct plagiarism from your document for free online. The third website is Check Plagiarism. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type Check Plagiarism. Open this link. Check Plagiarism free online plagiarism checker. This is the website. Check Plagiarism offers a free online plagiarism checker tool that helps students and writers to detect plagiarism with 100% accurate results. Paste the text here. Copy the text, paste it. Click on Check Plagiarism. Click on the check box. Wait while it's checking plagiarism. Here you go. The document is 37% unique and 63% plagiarized content. Here you can see sentence-wise results. Here you can see matched sources. To get this report, click on Download Report. You can also save the report. The download is completed. Click on it. In this way, you got the plagiarism scan report generated by Check Plagiarism website. The date is mentioned, unique content, plagiarized content, word counts, and records found. In this way, you have deducted plagiarism from your content for free. The fourth website is Plagiarism Detector. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type Plagiarism Detector. Open this link. Plagiarism checker free, accurate with percentage. This is the website. Plagiarism Detector free and accurately deducts copyright content from assignments or documents with zero cost and one-click plagiarism checker. You have to enter the text here. This website allows 1000 words. Copy the text. Paste in the given box. Click on Check Plagiarism. Wait while it is deducting plagiarism from your content. Here you go. You got the plagiarism scan report. The text says 84% plagiarized and 16% unique content. Here you can view the plagiarized sources. The highlighted sentences show plagiarism. Here you are having options like Download Report, Start a New Research, and Download Word Report. I will click on Download Report. It will direct you to a new window. The download has been completed. Click on it. In this way, you have deducted plagiarism from your document for free. Now you can paraphrase the highlighted sentences to remove plagiarism. The fifth website is QText. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type QText. Open this link. QText Original Writing Made Easy. This is the website. QText is a leading plagiarism detection software providing services to over 2 million teachers, students, and professionals worldwide. QText is to empower writers with a sense of security in their work. Click on Check for Plagiarism. Enter the text here. Copy the text, paste it. Click on Check for Plagiarism. You will be directed to a new window. Wait while it's detecting plagiarism. Here you go. You got 97% plagiarism from your content. You can see 20 matches from one source. The highlighted sentence shows plagiarism. In this way, you have deducted plagiarism from your document for free. The sixth website is Search Engine Reports. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type Search Engine Report. Open this link. 100% free to check plagiarism online. This is the website. Search Engine Reports is a free plagiarism checker for accurate results and reports. Deep scan to check plagiarism across billions of web pages online using this amazing website. Enter text here to check plagiarism. Word limit is 1000 words. You can also upload file. Copy the text, paste it. Click on Check Plagiarism. Wait while it's generating report. Here you go. You got the final report. You can see plagiarism, that is 97%, and 3% unique content. You can see the unique and plagiarized sentences. They show sentence-wise result. It is showing matched sources. And here you can see document view. You can download report, view report, rewrite plagiarized content, and start new search. As I want this report, so I will click on download report. In this way, the download started. Click on the document. In this way, you have deducted plagiarism from your document and have downloaded plagiarism report for free. The seventh website is PL Text Plagiarism Checker. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type PL Text Plagiarism Checker. Open this link, Plagiarism Checker, Plagiarism Detector and Removal, PL Text. This is the website. PL Text Plagiarism Checker is a plagiarism detector and remover tool. It helps you to find duplicate content from your text and rewrite it to avoid plagiarism. Paste or type your text here. Click on Check Plagiarism. Wait while it is detecting plagiarism. Here you go. Your report is ready. Here is 90% plagiarism and 10% unique. Red line shows plagiarized sentences. You can view report summary. Click on List all matches. It shows the sources of the content. In this way, you have easily deducted plagiarism from your document for free. The eighth website is plagiarismchecker.co. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type plagiarismchecker.co. Open this link, Plagiarism Checker, #1 free plagiarism detector. This is the website. Plagiarismchecker.co is a free plagiarism checker. It detects duplication from your research papers, blogs, assignments, and websites. Paste the text here. You can also click on Upload. I will paste the text. Click on the checkbox. Then click on Q-Check Plagiarism. Wait while it's detecting plagiarism. Here you go. You got the result. There is 91% plagiarism and 9% unique. This is sentence-wise. Here you can see the status of each sentence, like whether it is unique or plagiarized. This is document-wise. Text analysis states and matched sources. Here you have options like download report, share or start new search. I will click on download report. Enter report title. Then click on submit. The loading started. Once the download is completed, click on the document. In this way, you have deducted plagiarism from your document and have downloaded plagiarism report for free. The ninth website is Prepost SEO. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type Prepost SEO. Open this link. Prepost SEO Online SEO Tools. This is the website. Prepost SEO Plagiarism Checker is a reliable and accurate online tool that allows users like students, writers, and bloggers to check plagiarism for free. Click on Plagiarism Checker. Insert your text here. You can also upload any document. I will copy the text, paste it. Click on Check Plagiarism. Click on the checkbox. Wait while it's working on it. You can see there is 98% plagiarism and 2% unique content. Underlined sentences shows plagiarism. On the right side, you can see the source of plagiarism. In this way, you have checked plagiarism from your content for free. The 10th website is EditPad Plagiarism Checker. Let's open this website. On your internet browser, type EditPad Plagiarism Checker. Open this link. Plagiarism Checker check 5,000, 1,000 and 15,000 words. This is the website. EditPad Plagiarism Checker offers a free online tool for its users to find plagiarism in their text. Paste your content here to check plagiarism. You can also upload file. On this website, there is an option of language as well. You can choose any language. Copy the text, paste it. Click on Check Plagiarism. Wait while it's deducting plagiarism. Here you go. You got the details. There is 98% plagiarism and 2% unique content. The underlined sentences show plagiarism. When you will click on sentence, you will get the source of plagiarism. The sources and similarity is also mentioned below. In this way, you can check plagiarism from this free website. I'm done showing you the best 10 websites to deduct plagiarism online. I hope this video will be helpful for you.